Hello everyone and welcome back to a new reaction video. So for today's one we are going in again with another This Is It rehearsal reaction, but for today's one we are doing Human Nature. I have not reacted to Human Nature at all on my channel. There have been many times where I've wanted to react to it. I remember when I was first making videos, I did Human Nature live at Wembley reaction. That got blocked immediately because I don't know why YouTube just immediately blocks any Wembley video at all that I post. So that got blocked, and then I tried all the other different concert performances with Human Nature and they all got blocked too. I've looked and this does not get me blocked, so fingers crossed that when I upload this it doesn't and you guys can watch it, because I just love Human Nature. It's such a good song and I really want to react to it with you guys. So anyway, let's get into it.
Yeah.
Let's just go for it. Yeah, we get rehearsed.
Easy.
It's not even been a minute and he already is giving us the angelic vocals. Oh my god.
This. That's just the test.
He wakes us inside. Hear our voice. Shake my
Sound great, MJ. Sound great.
losing sighs. Get me out there. Something right there. Into the nighttime. Four walls won't hold me tonight. If this
I have seen that thing that he does on literally so many TikToks and videos. It's so hilarious. I don't know why he did it, but it's so funny.
town is just an apple cart. Let me take a bite. And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does he do it that way? And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does he do it that way? Reaching out to the nighttime. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, tell you it that way. They say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, tell you it that way. I like living this way. I like loving this way. Looking out across the morning, suddenly heart begins to beat. See that
vocal coming through with the amazing vocals. I love this part of Human Nature. Just the vocals are incredible. So that was Human Nature. This is it rehearsal. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye.